are retrieving dynamic content of websites from a controller. Let's fix the template so that it renders now with a brand new data that is now dynamic, right? Instead of being this hard-coded content. Yes? So let's fix that. All right, so let's go to the template. And in the template for the website list, which I think I have it open here, website list controller, that's the controller. We want the actual view. There it is. Let's not render here this up here. Instead, let's see. Let's grab this. The first line item here is this header at the top. The second line item is the one who's rendering the data. Yes. So let's notice that the last four are just dummy pieces of content. Only the first one actually has the columns and right, and is styled to show different columns for different sizes of screens. Right, so let's keep just the first one. The other ones at the bottom we can throw away. So let's use this as a template for each one of the rows. We're going to use ng repeat to iterate over all the websites in model.websites. And as I iterate, we're creating a local variable that is holding the instance of that object in that array, and so we can use that local variable to render the name of the website. Okay, this is, what was this? When the website was created, and this one is when the website was last accessed. So maybe accessed. And the last one, we don't have anything just yet. Okay? So if we re-render, notice that indeed we have the names, Facebook, Twitter, and Gizmodo. We don't have any data for created and accessed, right? So for now, what we could do is go back to the controller, right, and feed it some dummy dates, right, as we find the website. Yes? As we find each one of the websites, we'll feed it some dummy dates. Say created new date, and same thing here with access new date. So if we re-render this, we actually have some dates, right? Perhaps on the here on the template side, we can use one of many Angular filters that allow you to format pieces of data as numbers, as dates, as whatever, phones, zip codes. There's tons of different formats that you can format your content. So there it is. So that's the default format for dates. Okay, and we still have this as being responsive. Everybody okay? All right. All right. So next, let's fix the fact that we're not using a service for this just yet. All right. So let's do that next.